Hello, I am making some salmon. I'm going to sear my salmon in my skillet with some oil. Then I'm going to put it into the oven. I have pepper. I have paprika. I also have cumin, garlic, granulated garlic, garlic salt. I also have a little curry. I have a little ginger, red pepper, different spices. And I'm going to put it in my skillet, and I'm going to sear it first. I'm going to sear it. And then I'm going to put the rest, I'm going to put it in the oven. This is wild caught salmon. My seasoning. This is wild caught, and it came from okay, not because I'm cooking it, but oh my gosh, the spices smell so good. Smell so good. I'm gonna finish it off in the oven. Okay, I'm gonna turn it over. I'm gonna turn it over. Oh, them spices smell so good. Not because I'm cooking it, but the spices, they really do smell good. I'm just searing them. I'm gonna turn it over. Once I turn it over, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna put it in the oven and just let it finish off. Okay. There. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, perfect. Now I am going to put it in the oven now. I already preheated my oven. It's going into the oven. Okay, that's my salmon. It smells so good, looks so good. Okay. These are red potatoes with butter. And I'm just going to easily roast them so they get like that. Then I'm going to put them in the oven. I'm going to put a little garlic, salt, and granulated garlic, and a little bit of curry on my potatoes. These are red potatoes. Okay, putting my red potatoes in the oven. The skillet. There go my salmon right here. Smells so good. I'll finish my salmon and my roasted garlic buttered potatoes. I'll finish. This is my dinner for the next 4 days. 4 days. 4 days. And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna turn it over and look, it's so cooked to perfection.